Today I will share with you what can we do with a pivot table. Now we have a table like this one, so we'll make it into a pivot table like this one. If you want to know how can we make the pivot table, then you can refer to my previous video. I will put my link on the top right corner. So to quickly insert a pivot table, we can just select the table, then you go to insert pivot table. You can select where you want to put. We can go to the new sheet. Okay, so from here we can start from creating one. So for example, I want to process and each item. So now we have this simple column. And if I want maybe a month or so on each process, then this is how it will look like. If you put the month above, then this is what you will get. Okay, so instead of sum, last time I did share how can we change. So we actually change from this value field setting. So now you have a table, a pivot table like this one. So what you can do is from here you can right click and choose this value field setting. So last time this is what we do. We can select the sum, count, average or min max, and then actually there's another thing, show value as. So we can put in the calculation like this one. So for example, we want the percent of grand total, means the average of this item with respect to this grand total. So if we choose this one and we click OK, so means the item B will change to percentage. Okay, so if you still want another item just to show the sum, then you can drag another B here, and you can see this is B. So maybe you can do like this one, color, so that people will know, okay, this is B, sum of B, and then this is the percentage. So for the A, you can do the same. You just drag another into the A, and then you right click, show value as percent of grand total. So now you can see this is based on the 100% of this grand total. If you select and only select only the month of January, then you can see the grand total is different. Then your your calculation will be based on this grand total also. And if you choose 2 months, then the data will update automatically. If you change this process above, then you can see the calculation also will be different. Means this one, the percentage of this 5,000 over the 21,000, so it's about 24%. Okay, so now for item A, you also have this percent of total grand, percent of grand total. Okay, what if you want it just the base is this each process, then you can go to this show value as parent total. So after that you can see, so this is this with respect to this grand total, but this one is based on this total, means 2,000 over 5,000, so you have this one. Now you have a pivot table like this one, so you may find it quite confusing because both are sum of item B. So instead of letting it like this one, you can go to value field setting, and then you can change the custom name. So instead of sum of item B, then you can say item B percent. Okay, percent. Okay, then you can okay. So now you can change. You can change the name also for this A. So field setting, then you can choose item to item A percent. Okay, this is how you can customize it. And if you don't like it, then you can just remove it. This is a very convenient way for you to do the data analysis based on this pivot table feature.